I often ask you to write your answer in a sentence, and here we can say that we calculated there must be about 4.98 million or 5 million people in Ireland in 2022. When I looked this up, I got 5.1 million, and I'm not going to worry about the difference there. Here is a similar question for the country of Peru. Peru reported 2.3 million COVID cases, and about 7% of that country has had COVID. How many people are there in Peru? So again, practice setting up your proportion. The 7% becomes the first fraction. 2.3 million COVID cases is the part, and I made myself a little note over here. And then the whole is all of the people in Peru. And I wrote X million right here. And you can go through that same process again of solving this proportion. We can ignore the millions because they're the same on top and bottom, so they technically cancel out. And so I did 100 times 2.3 equals 7 times x, or x times 7. And then I go through this process of solving. 230 equals 7x. Divide by 7 on both sides. X is 32.857, which rounds up to 33. And then I put the million back on my answer because X represents Peru's population. And you're going to repeat this process one more time for the Czech Republic. So Czech Republic had a similar number of COVID cases as Peru, but it's a really high percentage of their population. Do you think the Czech Republic has a larger or smaller population than Peru? You might be able to intuitively reason through this. It is a little tricky, but if the same number of cases is a higher percentage, the whole country must be smaller. So it does turn out that the Czech Republic is smaller than Peru. There's my proportion. And when I work it out, I get almost 11 million for the Czech Republic.